Let's face it, to build a new website or redesign your old one, you have two options. You can start learning the principal tools of building a website, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, WordPress, Bootstrap, Photoshop. Well, you get the idea. Or you could be smarter and look for someone who's a professional in web design, like us. We've been creating WordPress themes for more than 10 years, and today manage over 60,000 users worldwide. All our themes come with everything you need built in. There are no monthly or hidden costs, and they don't require third-party plugins to work. We like to keep things simple. We offer quality, easy-to-use products that get the job done. All our WordPress themes are easy to customize and include multiple design layouts for you to choose from. We update our themes every month, where we guarantee you'll get the latest theme updates and bugs fixed. Whether your website is for e-commerce, online dating, classifieds, or so on, contact us now. And let's start building your new website today.